Hey everyone, welcome to the Welsh channel. Today I'll show you how to change your GPS location on Android. Open the Play Store and go to search. Oops! Here, search for location changer. Let's open this app. Skip the ad. There. Now, click to open the map. Choose the location where we'll set our fake GPS. Let's hit start and watch an ad. Now we're at the new location. If we open Google Maps, click here, we're now in Africa. Like and subscribe. That's all, folks.